The Supreme Court made several significant rulings during the past session. One of them involved the banning of those who pose a credible threat to safety being banned from possessing guns temporarily. The 8-1 ruling came as a relief to those who have been the victims of domestic violence. 10 on your side's Kiana Patterson has more on the impact.
Yes, while this is considered a victory for those who are leaving an abusive relationship, a survivor of abuse shares her concerns following the ruling. A champion of hope.
I'm a survivor myself of domestic violence.
With a passion to help others survive.
We assist women and children who flee domestic violence relationships. We don't get a lot of funding, so a lot of times it comes out of my own pocket, but if a shelter calls me, I try to help. Put somebody in a hotel or something like that, get them some clothes, some food, do something that I can do.
Kathy Staton shares her testimony following 2 abusive relationships.
When I was, married to my first husband, he had a gun, and he actually drew the gun on me to scare me. And my son came out of the room and got in between us. And that was a real scary moment. The gun could have went off, but thankfully it didn't go off.
Staton and Senator Tim Kaine are relieved after the Supreme Court ruled to uphold laws for survivors with a protective order, banning abusers from having a gun.
Breathed a sigh of relief. I was nervous about that one, and then it was an 8-1 decision, so the court can surprise you.
Kaine is a longtime champion of efforts to support survivors of abuse from gun violence.
This was a Donald Trump era regulation, and so it was important that we go to bat for it.
And there are still so many concerns still at the plate.
It's victory, but it still doesn't stop them from going to get a gun. Even if they can't purchase one legally, they may get one illegally. So it's a great law, but it doesn't necessarily stop women from being killed.
Stanton believes there are often a lot of obstacles for survivors.
I really don't think there's enough help out here available. I mean, I've said before, there are more dog shelters than there are shelters for women who flee domestic violence relationships, and that's sad.
Looking ahead, she hopes there's more support, funding, and resources.
And unfortunately, because some women do not get help, they end up going back to their abuser, and some lose their lives because of it.
Now, if you'd like to learn more about her organization, My Help, My Hope Foundation, you can visit our website over on wavy.com/domestic violence awareness. We also have a full list of resources throughout our community. Kiana Patterson, 10 on your side.